dramatic scenes in the Santa Fe court as Alec Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter trial is dismissed. The Hollywood star had been accused of violating firearms guidelines when fatally shooting cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the set of The Western Rust in October 2021. Baldwin maintains the shooting was an accident. The judge ruled that the prosecution had failed to submit evidence that may have favoured the defendant.
The state's willful withholding of this information was intentional and deliberate. If this conduct does not rise to the level of bad faith, it certainly comes so near to bad faith as to show signs of scorching. When discovery has been produced late, prejudice does not accrue unless the evidence is material and the disclosure is so late that it undermines the defendant's preparation for trial.
The prosecution was alleged to have withheld evidence in the form of ammunition which could have shown that the prop supplier and not the film's production was at fault for live rounds ending up on set. The prosecutor, while accepting the court's decision, disagreed with this interpretation.
There is no reason to believe that the evidence that we discussed in court today was related to the set of Rust. It never left the state of Arizona. There is absolutely no evidence that any of that ammunition is related to the incident involving Ms. Hutchins.
Baldwin could have faced up to 18 months in prison if found guilty. He cannot now face trial on the same charges. The film's armourer, who was sentenced to 18 months for involuntary manslaughter in March, is also expected to file to have her conviction overturned.